A winged insect. It's an alate. Yes, that's right. It's an alate. And this story is entitled The Alate's Mission by Oki E. Narsan. Dimisyon ni Alates. Isinulat ni Oki noon Stan. Oki is an important name, but many thinkers debate would he be able to accomplish his mission? Oh, the rain has stopped. It's time to go out. I have an important mission. Ay, nagsargay ni Kitudon. Panawin na naman. Nagkanapatek ang mission ko. Need to find a special friend for Dawn. Kasapulan, namang sabula itinaisa sa ngayon agayam ko. Kadwa, kaagarawan iti pagtaingan. Ket, kasapulak met amang sabol iti bulan. It is need to find a moonlight. The moonlight is a guide. But which is the moon? There are so many lights here. Tinawag kay bulan. Tinuwan-wan kanya. Yan. Ay nakagabitoy iti bulan. Nagadumit as nilaw itoy. Aha! The light is the brightest. It's also pale. My special Christmas dinner. I will check it out. Ah! Isudayta! Igit ang lawag itinapay itirabiin. Naknopay! Masapong na dalita itinaisang sanay na gayong ko. Kung may kumanto si Saen, I must fly higher. The higher I go, the more fireflies there are to be friend. Masapol ay luming legap ang anangato. Tanong na nagmuragot ipagtayo ba? At lumit, hindi ko nalalagi at igayaman. Ow! Ow! What's going on? I can't bounce around. Aray! Aray! Kanya hindi ko pasama. Kanayon lang ang maipisik-pisika. Maybe look for another light. Maybe it would be easier to find the better. Yung biro hakik sa balya sila. Baring nalak-lakak ang mabirukan, itinaisang sa ngayon ang gayong ko sa dyan. Hey, what's that? It's big. It's scary looking. It catches many fireflies in one swing. Ala, anya dayta. Nagtakyan kinakaamamay sa silanganan. Madua ko lalati, iti makwana, iti may salain ang panangalan na. Oh no, those human children are trying to catch us. Ay saan? Nagito yung bingkit pagpadasin na tayo at taliwen. Shoo! 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 Danger! I must get away from here! Peligro! Masapol ang makatayo ang ito'y. Wow! They have all found friends already. Surely, I can find one too. Wow! Nasarakan dan nagiti kagayam dan. Sigurado, makasapol ang men. I can't give up. Sa anak ang sardeng. Aha! There's a glimmer of light. Maybe this moonlight. I have to go there. Padasin na! Bulan na kay Pidayta. Masapol ang mapanag ito'y. Oh! What's that? I saw that. That was red. I had to take a closer look. Ah! Pidayta na sinag. Apay nga. Nagkaps silawag na. Masapol nga kita yung bag. It turns out it's not the source of light. It's water. Why are there so many fireflies in it? Saan moves gracefully. She reminds me of a special friend. At ako nalantian ang buhit niya. Naggayet, hindi pa naggaraw na. Kaya't nangatata ang balin na isang sa kanya na ganyan mo.